Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for being here. My name is Lily, and I appreciate you being here. I am taking you on a little sneak peek of what my future craft room will look like. Now, the area where I started, I'm backing up slowly. The area where I started, which is right there, is the loft. So, my future craft room will be upstairs. And let's go take a look again. So this is the loft area. Now, I've recently moved, and most of you know that I have moved. I just haven't announced where. So I'm happy to say that I have moved. I've moved to Utah, you guys. Is that a surprise? Probably not. Let's start all over. So this is the loft area, okay? And it's actually the landing of where everything is being placed before it comes in here. Some of the items have been placed in this room, so I'm taking everything back out because I did not put it in here. It was just when I told everyone that this was going to be my craft room, they just assumed I wanted everything in here, but I didn't. I want it to start there. I'm going to go through everything and then slowly bring it in. The closet there is just jam-packed with more stuff as well. But yes, you guys, I am in Utah. Now, let me tell you, all of this happened so fast, you have no idea. So if you go back, if we go back, I came to visit my parents in December of 2019, and then I extended my stay. In July, I was going back to California because we had to move, and we really didn't know where we were going. And then my boyfriend and I decided we had a talk, and he says, "Well, why don't we just go and buy a house in Utah?" And of course, I wasn't going to say no. So I flew to California. And I know I keep walking around because I'm watching YouTube videos for inspiration. And that one's pretty good. I'll link it below because she's really providing me with a lot of inspiration as far as setup goes. And she's done it a couple of times. So I'll link her video before, which is providing, like I said, a lot of inspiration. I'll keep this brief only because I really don't have much to show you other than I've got my boyfriend has his work catalog in here, and everything is it's just a mess. Let me show you what's in the closet. But going back really quick to why we came to Utah, I was already out here, and look, my train cases are in here. I can't even open the other door, but I have about 22 of those, you guys. Isn't that crazy? I'm trying to walk around slowly so that I don't make everybody crazy dizzy. But yeah, so it was 4th of July weekend, and he said, "Well, why don't we just move to Utah?" I said, "You're already over there. Let's just buy a house." So I got busy that 4th of July weekend, you guys. I found a house. A couple days later, we were in escrow. Oh, I have a great view here. I really do have a great view. The blinds aren't open yet. Um, and we closed on our house on August 14th. And on my birthday, August 15th, we packed it all up and we all came over here, pulled into our new house, into our driveway on August 15th, which was my birthday. And this has been, it's taken me longer to unpack. It is so overwhelming. I didn't realize how much stuff I had. Now, we went from living in an 860 square foot uh, bungalow, 2 bedroom, 1 bath, and this is now, I think this house is like 2,600 square feet or something. It's 3 levels, so we've got main level, basement, and this upper level that where all the bedrooms are in this loft area. I actually thought, believe it or not, that I was going to use this area as my craft area. And now I'm thinking that, well, obviously everything is going in there, but now I'm thinking that I might need both spaces, that area and this area. I have a lot of things to go through, just stuff that I have accumulated. This is just 10 years worth of stuff. Now, I know I've been crafting for a lot longer than that, like my entire life, but I've been collecting things for about 30 years. When I first moved to California back in 2010, I actually didn't really take my craft supplies to California, so I started fresh. I gave most of my things away. Anyway, I want to show you, this is what I'm struggling with right now, you guys. I am seriously struggling. I have stood in this room, and I'm sure a lot of you are familiar, um, when you struggle with finding where to begin. You just kind of stand in the middle of the room and just kind of sigh and just feel overwhelmed because we don't know where to start, and I don't know where to start. So I am going to begin by just taking everything out and starting from scratch. That's what I'm going to do. I just wanted to give you a sneak peek of what it all looks like. I'm really excited, you guys, because I want to get back to creating and making things. Remember those journals I was working on? I still have a bunch of them that I need to finish. And and you guys, remember I had nothing at my parents' house? I still have to pack all those things and bring them here. I don't know what I'm going to do, you guys. I don't know what I'm going to do. Help, send help. I need intervention. All right, you guys. I'm trying to keep it short. I hope this isn't making you dizzy. I keep going in circles because I really don't have anywhere to go. By the way, that's just one of the two printers that I have. I have a laser printer, and I love my laser printer, especially for work, because this is also going to serve as a space for working and crafting. So I need to be able to put those two things together. I used to have a linen closet, a large linen closet in California. And now that stuff lives right there, and I don't know where to put it because I do have a linen closet here, but it's half the size. Yeah, so I need to go through everything. You guys, I miss you. I miss your feedback. Um, I miss engaging with you, but I hope to be back really soon, to the point where I am creating. Don't know if this will be the desk I'll be creating on, but I've got so many ideas. I'm actually working on a little project. Well, I want to start working on a little project using that embroidery floss. It's a kitchen project, so maybe I'll show you guys that when I get to it. Okay, you guys, y'all take care. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you so much. And hopefully next time I will be all set up and ready to go. You guys take care, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.